Hello everyone, good morning, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing the Peeps Taste Testing, and I got some crazy flavors, plus the Peeps Pepsi Soda, which we're going to save the best for last. So we got fruit punch Peeps. We got hot tamales. We got the sparkle wild berry. We got birthday cake, which I know these are going to be good. And we got the chocolate covered marshmallow. So let's try them. So if you guys are interested in seeing me trying these Peeps, please keep on watching. This is gonna be so exciting. Maybe not. Let's try the hot tamales. Let's get these out of the way. All right. Cut a little snip. Okay. Oh, here we are. Let's smell them first. Oh, jeez, mama. They smell very cinnamony. Look at them. They're bright and red. Ooh. Okay. Let's take one out. Okay. Sorry for the background noise, by the way. Sorry about that. They don't taste hot. They basically taste like cinnamon. Are we deceived? The hot tamales. You know what they taste like? They taste like the Fireball. It tastes like the Fireball shots. Like the Fireball candy. I mean, if you like cinnamon. I'm sorry guys. I apologize for the noise. I really do. My neighbors are very inconsiderate. They're very inconsiderate people. And I don't have a proper studio. I'm not a big time influencer, so I don't have the proper. Oh my god, these are the fruit punch. They almost look like the hot tamales. They're almost like the same color. Oh, these smell good. You can smell the fruit punch. It's actually the hot tamale ones weren't bad. Let's try the fruit punch. These are actually pretty good. These taste like, I'm trying to put my finger on it. These kind of have a sour taste to them. These are kind of sour. The fruit punch ones are kind of like sour, kind of like Welch's. Like if you like Welch's fruit snacks, which I personally love. So if you like Welch's fruit snacks, like gummies, gummy bear type of vibe, definitely get those. If you like cinnamon, definitely get the hot tamales. But so far, so good. So far, so good. All right. Now we're on to the sparkle berry, which are actually bunnies. The other two were chicks. And I dressed for the occasion, as you could see with the top and the ears. I had to go all all out in a Peeps video, you know? That's how we do it on this channel. We're very festive. Oh, man. These are so cute. These are so adorable. Oh, the smell, though. They're kind of like, oh, look at the back. They're like speckled. My gosh. Let's try it. I love these. These are my favorite. These are very Welch's fruit snacks. These are good. They're also very sour too. Like Sour Patch Kids. They're both very good. They have like strawberry, you could taste the berry, you could taste all those fruits. Can't really taste the you can taste the marshmallow, but it's not, the marshmallow's kind of like not as overpowering, like you taste more of the berry. But it's good, I like it. I like it a lot. So far, so good. I really thought I was gonna be gagging on these flavors. The birthday cake, which I'm really excited about those. By the way, I think I tried these before, but I don't remember. So, we'll just have to relive ourselves. Oh, these look so cute. I like the way these look. Oh my god, these are so cute. And look at the butts. Look at the booties. I love these. These are my favorite. Like the way they look, the speckles. My absolute favorite. Oh, the smell. Oh my god. They need to make a perfume of this. Like a Peeps, which they're like a fat company. Like, I don't mean it like, you know. But like, because they're such a huge empire, that they should like expand to like perfumes, and they should make a perfume of this scent. My god. This one's the best. I said that about all 4 of them, but the birthday cake tastes exactly like birthday cake. How do they do it? How do they do it, honestly? I don't know. My thoughts completely in the wind with that. You guys would think that I live in the jungle, and I don't. Well, these birds chirping, I don't. I really don't. So, this is definitely a good one. If you like sweet and sugary, definitely the birthday cake. If you're looking for something different than the traditional marshmallow. Alright, last of the actual Peep of food is the chocolate covered, which I never tried, ever. I tried the one with the chocolate booties, which was like, they were yellow, like the color with the yellow sugar crystals with the chocolate booties, but not like the whole thing made out of chocolate. So, this is gonna be different. Ooh! And you could feel that the chocolates are ASMR. I don't have the technology to do ASMR. I wish I did, but here's a little preview. Oh my God. I lied. This one. No, but you know what? This one tastes like the, sorry. It's got like the yellow one on the inside. But it's not sugar crystals. It's actual marshmallow. So it's not sugar crystals. It's actual marshmallow. And I thought it would be sugar crystals. But to me, this tastes like, you know, the Russell Stover's chocolate covered marshmallow. That's what this tastes like. Tastes exactly the same. So, but it's still good. I'll still have it, you know. And now, the moment we all been waiting for, or I don't know if y'all been waiting for, the moment I've been waiting for. The Pepsi Peeps soda. Okay. Now this, I had a hard time getting this. And I live near the Pepsi factory. And I don't know why I could not get this. You would think that if you lived near the Pepsi factory, you would get the products, right? The packaging's cute. I mean, look, it's got a little peep on it. Okay. All right. Now, I'm a huge Pepsi fan. Like, I drink Pepsi on the daily. Okay? So the fact that two of my favorite companies, Peeps and Pepsi, and no, I am not sponsored by both. Oh, it should be. I should be sponsored by both, but I'm not, so. Anyway. But let's take a sniff. Okay. Interesting. It smells like creamy, like a cream soda would smell like. Now, because I tried all these flavors, so I have to, hold on. I gotta get these out. Give me a second. Because I tried all these flavors, so it's kind of like, I like it. It's very, and again, let me try it again. Let me get a second taste. You know, and again, I tasted a lot of stuff, but it tastes very, like, you know what it is? And I'll tell you, it tastes like when Pepsi made, when Pepsi made, like, you know, what was it? God, I'm thinking off the top of my head here. The vanilla, you know, the vanilla soda, the cream. I think it was Pepsi vanilla, maybe. Or was that Coke? I know Pepsi came out with one. No, can you guys see the ears? I hope you guys could see the ears. Anyway, going off topic here, but the Pepsi vanilla, basically it tastes like cream soda. I don't taste the Dr. Pepper, thank God, because I'm not a big Dr. Pepper fan. I don't taste the Dr. Pepper. But I do taste the cream. But then again, I had all this before I drank this. But it's actually not bad. You know what I mean? It's, you know what? It's different. You know what? And it's actually not bad. I kind of like it. Would I drink it every day? No, I still like my regular Pepsi, but you know what? On an Easter Sunday, to have with your meal, yeah. And it's also for people who do collect these, because I know some people do collect, you know, bottles and cans of new packaging that comes out. This is a good collector's piece, you know, because I don't know if they'll come out with this again. I don't know if this is going to be a continuum. I have no idea. Again, this was news to me. It's news. Yeah. And there's still some Peeps stuff that I could not get in my city. I had a hard time. But that's all the Peeps stuff I have. And I'm going to go to my final thoughts of what is worth it. This definitely is worth it. If you can get it. I mean, if you're going to try it, I mean, I would definitely get the individual, you know. I paid $10 for this, which I thought was a little extreme, but you know, the birthday cake, definitely worth it. These are worth it. I love them. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. The fruit punch, my second favorite. Oh, the berry, third. And the last, the hot tamales. And they weren't hot. They weren't hot at all. You know what I mean? Because it was mostly cinnamon. They tasted more like the fireball candy. So, and if you like the fireball candy, you'll love those. So, again, that's just what it comes down to. So, needless to say, that's all the Peeps I have. Oh, I almost forgot to rate the chocolate. Again, we all had this before. You know, like I said, it's like a Brussels Stouffer. You know, chocolate covered marshmallow. But again, it's still good. It's still good. Hands down, amazing. Maybe 5th place, because like I said, we still have them. So, again, there's still more flavors. If you guys want to see a part 2 to this continuum, let me know in the comments down below. If you want to see a part 2, if you like what you saw, let me know. And thank you all so much. And as always, never let anyone dull your sparkle and always shine bright. Bye, guys.